So in our case number 2, so we have to suppose a as now 10. So here we have assumed x square plus 3x as a. Then now we are going to replace, in the first case we have replaced a by means of minus 12. Then in the second case we are going to replace a by means of 10. So x square plus 3x must be equal to 10 in the place of a. So here now x square plus 3x is equals to a is the assumption. So in our assumption we are going to replace at a is equals to 10. In the second case we are going to substitute a as 10, then that implies x square plus 3x is equals to a must be replaced by means of 10, then that implies, so here x square plus 3x, but by transposing plus 10, that is of positive 10 over to the left hand side. So plus 10 when it is transposed over to the left hand side becomes minus 10, then that is equals to 0. Then now, so here let us work out this problem. So here let us find out the value of this x. There are of two values. So let us find out the value of x, that is a variable. To find out the variable's value, so let us follow the first method, that is the factorization method. So here that implies, so x square plus, so 3x, how to write the 3x I say as the factors. So here last term is of 10. So 10 can be written as, the factors of 10 are of 10 ones is of 10, the other possibility is of 5 twos is also of 10. There are of two possibilities. So here either by adding these two factors or by subtracting these two factors in the first option. So we must get the middle terms coefficient. So here 10 plus 1 is of 11, but 11 is not the coefficient of x, but it is of 3. 10 minus 1 is of 9, so it is also not the coefficient of x, that is 3. So therefore first option is wrong. Let us go for the second one. 5 plus 2 is of 7, 7 is not the coefficient of x. Let us subtract, I say 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3 is the coefficient of x. So here choosing the 5 and 2 is the right one. So we can write it as 5x and 2x. So here 3x can be written as 5x and 2x. But in order to get plus 3x, in order to get 3x is of positive, first of all we have to assess the greater one among 5 and 2. 5 and 2, greater is of 5x. So here we need plus 3x. So greater one is assess the positive sign. Then this must be of negative. Plus into minus is of minus. When we subtract 5 and 2, that is greater minus least. 5 minus 2 is of 3x. So in order to get plus 3x, greater must be attached. So here among these two, greater is of 5x, its sign is of positive, we got it as positive. Then minus 10 must be written as it is, then that must be equated to 0. But here among the first two terms and among the last two terms, I want to take the common factor, that is the x square can be written as x into x. When one x is taken as common among two x's, that is x square, so one more x will be left inside. So here plus out of 5x, so x is taken out as common, but 5 and x, between 5 and x there is of into symbol. So when x is taken out as common, just 5 is left over within the bracket. Then among these two, minus sign is clearly it is of common. I want to take minus sign as common, and moreover I want to take 2 also as common, because this 10 can be written as 5 twos. So here when minus 2 is taken out as common, just x is left over within the bracket. Since minus sign is outside the bracket, the signs inside the bracket will be changed. So minus will be changed as positive. Then now here to get 10, so 2 must be multiplied with some number. So 2 must be multiplied with 5 in order to get this 10. So here 5, 2 5 is of 10, bracket close, that equals to 0. So here by observing these two, so here x plus 5 and x plus 5, they are of common factors. So now I want to take, that implies, so x plus 5 is common in both the terms. So x plus 5 is taken out as common. When x plus 5 is taken out as common in the first term, just x is left over within the square bracket, minus. Then now x plus 5 is already taken out as common, just minus 2 is left over within the square bracket, that equals to 0. In order to get the value of x, either the first bracket must be equated to 0 or the second bracket must be equated to 0. That is, x plus 5 must be equated to 0 or x minus 2 must be equated to 0. Then the next logical step will be off. So that implies x plus 5 must be equated to 0 or x minus 2 must be equal to 0. So here x plus 5 equated to 0 and x minus 2 equated to 0. So here in order to get the value of x, so here that implies, so x equals 2. So here I want to transpose plus 5 over to the right hand side, and similarly here minus 2 over to the right hand side. So when we transpose, so minus plus 5 over to the right hand side, we will be getting minus 5. Similarly, x equals to minus 2, when it is transferred over to the right hand side, we will get positive 2. So, in this manner I got, so here x equals to minus 5 or positive 2. So, hence the solution, that is x values are of x equals to, one is of minus 5 or positive 2, or say here we got minus 3 plus or minus root of minus 39 by 2. Minus 3 plus or minus root of minus 39 overall divided by 2, because in this I said there are of two values, one is of minus 3 plus root of minus 39 by 2 and minus 3 minus root of minus 39 by 2. So, in this manner these are the 1, 2, and here there are of 2 values, there are of 4 factors here. So, these are the values. So, in this manner we have solved the quadratic equation by reducing it to the quadratic form, which is, first of all, the equation which is not in the quadratic form, first of all we have reduced into the quadratic form, then later we solved the value of x.